In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Apple ID name, phone number, email, and also iMessage and FaceTime number. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, and then tap right here at your name. Then tap at Name, Phone Numbers, Add Email option. And here you are able to change your name. Just tap where it says name. And here you can change first name, last name, or you can even add here some middle name. In that way, when you finish, just tap on Done. And then here you can change your email. Just tap here at Edit. You can delete your email by tapping on minus sign. Or you can tap on Add Email or Phone Number and then select what you want to add, an email or a phone number, and then just add it right here. Also, there you can change your date of birth. Just tap there and select any date that you want and then hit Done. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.